Today, we are taking a closer look at the Nifty Index, comparing the monthly and the weekly timeframes to better understand the overall trend in this declining market. So, why am I still bearish of the overall market? One is the MACD cross down that has happened on the monthly, which is pretty significant. So, if you notice the MACD line, which is this blue, is diverging away from the signal line, suggesting a very strong downtrend or an increase in seller momentum. The second reason for the stock to fall even further are the Trump tariffs. It's only going to bring this market further down. So these are the two main points, right? An ongoing downtrend and the Trump tariffs. So should the market fall even further, how far should it fall? So to understand that, let's plot the Fibonacci extension levels. Let's plot the Fibonacci extension and get an understanding of the different support levels that we can look at. Two very strong support levels are basically shown. One is 21,500 and the other is 20,500. Now, you might ask, why am I not looking at 22,500? I am not looking at 22,500 because there's a lot of uncertainty and there's a lot of selling that is happening in the market right now, right? There's a lot of selling that is happening. And if we look at the daily chart, you can easily see this increasing downward momentum. This is not going to stop. This is not going to stop at 22,500. It's very difficult to pull back from such a strong downward momentum, right? So that is why if I switch to the weekly, 21,500 and 20,500 are the two main support levels as of now. Once these support levels are breached, we will again come back to Nifty to discuss what are the next levels or what do we see next. Right now, I don't see any kind of upward movement for Nifty because the level of uncertainty is so high. Nifty only needs a slight push for it to roll over the edge and fall 1,000 points. Now we'll have to wait and see how Nifty plays out in the coming weeks. To conclude, I personally do not see Nifty 50 moving up considerably in the next 3-4 months. We will come back sometime during July, August and reassess the market. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to learn more, leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.